Thanks for the introduction. So, yeah, that was a great introduction, and I'll be talking about some of those challenges, especially how it applies to computer vision and machine learning. So a quick overview, give a quick introduction about Orbital Insight and what we do, and then jump into some of these challenges that we have to work with. So our company is a software company. We don't own or operate any of the hardware that's out there collecting satellite imagery or other geospatial data. Instead, what we do is we partner with different providers, and we also use any information and data that's freely available. And we have this huge funnel of input data. And the thought there is that in all of this data, there's meaningful information that can be used and extracted to make really informed decisions to different customers. However, because this set of data, the volume is so large, you can't really use humans to sift through and find the meaningful trends. You have to automate this using things like computer vision machine learning. And our customers want to answer questions about things like the financial space, making informed decisions about the economy in different markets, and as well as government customers that, again, want to know things about the economy, but also how are roads and buildings being built around the world. Jumping into the computer vision, we have a lot of different things that we want to do. And so there's things like object detection, recognizing different vehicles, cars, airplanes, ships, looking at how they're moving and the trends over time, as well as things like semantic segmentation and instance segmentation for where are all the buildings and roads and forests and water and different land uses. So today I'll be talking about the challenges, but this just gives you some insight into the different things that we're trying to do with computer vision machine learning.